He is Allah, besides whom there is no deity. The Sovereign, the Pure, the Source of Peace, the Guardian of Faith, the Mighty, the Compeller, the Supreme. Exalted is Allah above whatever they associate with Him. Al-Malik, the Sovereign, the King. Allah alone has absolute authority over the heavens, the earth, and everything within. Nothing happens without His permission. Significance: belief in Al-Malik strengthens our reliance on Allah, knowing He controls all power, life, and death. Practical reflection: recognizing Allah as a Malik helps a believer submit humbly, seek guidance, and trust in His justice and wisdom. Connection to other names. The ayah lists other beautiful names, Al-Qudus, As-Salam, etc., showing that Allah's kingship is perfect, pure, and beyond any imperfection or challenge.